Hola! Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to do this eye look using the Huda Beauty palettes. This is a pinky glitter eye look, so I hope you really enjoy it. I really do. Also, if you have any ideas for other tutorials I can do for you, please let it down below. Every product I have on my face I will put in the description bar down below so that you can read all that back. But if you have any other questions, please let me know and I will respond. So yeah, I'm going to do this tutorial for you and I hope you enjoy. Okay, first step, we're going to put some concealer on our eyelids so that the glitter will stick on it. So I'm using the L'Oreal True Match concealer in the color 2RC Vanilla Rose Vanilla. So okay, I'm going to put that on my eyelid, and I did put some foundation on it already, so that will be fine too. But because I did my foundation earlier, the foundation isn't wet anymore, so that's the reason why it won't stick when you put glitter on it. So I'm going to put some of the concealer on it, and of course if you have a eyeshadow primer, that's fine, that's even better. But I just always use concealer because my eyelids are kind of reddish, so this will even it all out. Okay, so this will be fine like this. And then I'm using my Huda Beauty palettes, and first off I'm going to use this color right here. It's called Fling, and I'm going to put it on with my fingers. So the reason that I use my fingers is because it's more pigmented that way, so you can see how pigmented it's coming out on my eyelid. If I didn't use a concealer or anything, it wouldn't stick like this. Oh, my eyelash is falling off. So okay, this looks like shit by the way, but I'm going to blend it all out later. Okay, so I'm going to use a blending brush, and this is just a really random brush I got from AliExpress, I think, and I'm going to blend the edges like this. And some people like to first apply their blending color, but I don't know, I think I have more control about the shape of the eyeshadow if I do this first and then the blending color later. So okay, now I see that I want a little bit more of the glitter on the outer side of my eye, so I'm going to put a little bit more on it. So like this. And right now I'm going to use first off this henna color, this one, to blend it in with the rest of my eyelid. And I'm bringing it in on the inner corner of my eye. And I want it to wing out, so I'm going a little bit further on this side. Like this. Okay. And right now I'm going to use a little bit of the bright pink Man Eater color, also with the blending brush. And I'm going to put that in between. I like to have matte shades in my crease, so I don't like glitter. You can see that it's blending right pretty good, and if you want more glitter you can apply more glitter, but this is okay for me. And next I'm going to use, I'm going to do the underneath my eye. So I'm going to use this henna color again, also from the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to apply this with a brush I got from Primark, and it's just this sharp edged brush, and I like to use it under my eyes. I always use this one for under my eyes. I'm going to draw a little line, and I connect it with my eyeshadow on my upper lid, like this. And right now I'm going to use that man-eater color again I just got on my upper lid, and I'm going to just smoke it out. And it's fine if you're going too low, you can always apply concealer after, so that it won't be that much on the under your eyes. So I'm going to do it like this, and then I'm going to take my other Primark brush, and this is even more sharp and a little bit thinner, like this. It doesn't have a number or anything, so I don't know that. And I'm going to use this black truffle color on my brush and dab it off, because when you get black all over your face, you can start over with your foundation, which I already done. Some people like to do their foundation after their eyeshadow, but I don't. And I'm going to draw a line on my lash line. And you can also use a eyeliner for this, or eye pencil. But I like to do it with just eyeshadow, and this will make it a little bit more dark. And I'm going to do this on my upper lid as well. So I'm going to take the black truffle again, and I will put a little bit of this dark shadow on the outer side of my lid, like this. So that's a little bit more dark. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal, this is the Ultra Precision Liner. This is just in black, or ultra black. No, just in black. And I'm going to use that only on the outer side. So I don't really like it when you have liner on the inside of my eye. Okay, I have to get that. I'm going to do this just on the outer side of my eye, and I'm really not good at doing my eyeliner in front of the camera. I'm just making a wing, and then I'm connecting the wing like this. Okay, right now the eyeliner is dried, and I'm going over it again just to make it a little bit more dark. And now I'm going in a little bit underneath my eye. Not that much, but a little bit. Like this. And last, I'm going in with some mascara. I'm using a little version of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I got it for free when I ordered the foundation. Please let me know if you want to do a review, me to do a review on the foundation. And I'm going on my extensions, because I did do them 3 weeks ago, and right now they aren't really pretty anymore. So just to get a little bit more volume, I'm using mascara, but I usually don't use any mascara. Okay, and now I'm going to use some mascara underneath my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. This has a wand like that. And I just do that to darken it all out a little bit. Someone just walked by my window. Okay, I will do my other eye and I will come back at you later. Okay, and I'm back. This is the final result I got with the pink glitter eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. And I'm really pleased with the result, and it looks pretty smoky. Only thing is that my lashes really needed to be done, so they don't look as good, and I don't have false lashes over here. But I always love this look when I have a different day than normal, so I don't wear this when I go to the office to my work, but for other days I really enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you want me to do any other tutorials in the description bar down below. And I will. Thank you for watching again, and I see you next week.